I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. We give our kids with higher ACEs scores extra support, but they often still resort to escalating behaviors and/or refusal. Why are they still struggling with learning? That's a great question. And what we're seeing is if you have a background, you can always research this, ACEs scores. There's about 7 different things that if kids have experienced 1 or more of those or 2 or more of those throughout their lifetime, they're considered having higher ACEs scores. And what we're seeing right now in all of our schools is more kids who actually fall into the higher risk, if you will, category as far as this is done than less kids. So to me, it kind of smacks of being able to embed more of the interventions into tier 1. So if these kids are getting a lot more support with their counseling, different types of groups they're in, wraparound types of services within our school, we also need to be not disjointing that by not having that happening within our kind of regular ed classroom, because we have more kids that are falling into the higher ACEs scores than we've ever had before. So it means that we, the adults, have to have open conversations about what are some of the things I do in the classroom as I'm teaching to respond to the child so I can manage their refusals and escalations at the same time they're getting the interventions at the higher level. So that takes some coordination on our part. But as we see more and more of our kids who fall into these higher scores, it really means that we have to get more comfortable being able to do the interventions within the regular ed classroom for these kids. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.